Excel is one of the most important tools used in business, in education, and all other industries. In this video, I am coming to teach you how to begin your lesson. If you have no knowledge about Excel, I'm going to teach you through the step-by-step in mastering Excel. Now, before you know Excel, before you master Excel, you must know some of the important terminologies in Excel. Now, in Microsoft Excel, we have columns, we have rows, and then we have Excel. Now, in the vertical axis, which is vertical axis H, it is called a column. So all the columns are named by alphabet. So as you can see here, we have alphabet A column, alphabet B column, C, D column. So these are columns. And then let's see rows. Rows are being numbered. So in Excel, the horizontal axis is called rows. So as you can see, this row 2 are to there. Now let's see, when a row and a column meet, they form a cell. So when a row and a column meet, they form a cell. So let's see this one. This is D, column D, and then row 1. So as it is being written here, have you seen it? So D1. So as the column D and then row 1 have met, a cell is formed. So this small button here, this small rectangular box here, it is called cell. So these are some of the important things you must know in working with Excel. So if you are a beginner here, you must know this, that the vertical axis, the verticals are called the rows, and they are the same times being labeled as an alphabet. So all these are rows, and then the horizontals are named by numbers. So all these are rows, and then the vertical are called columns. So these are columns. Now let's see some of the features here, because we will be using them a lot in order to make Excel very enjoyable for you. You have to know these features, some of these features. We won't go through all of them, but as you being a beginner here, we will try our best to go through the important one for beginners learning Excel. So let's click on home. Some of the features we will get at home. So at home, this is what we get. This is some of the features you can get here. You see, this is a dollar sign, this is a wrap text, this is a font color that they used to give our text a color. So let's see how we can make good use of the dollar sign. So if I'm having a price here, okay, let me type price, and then this is my prices. I have 5, I have 6, 8, I have 8, I have 9, I have 4, I have 3. So these prices, the value is measured in, let's say, dollar. So I want to give this a currency. So I just have to highlight it, yeah, and then click on the dollar sign. So have you seen how we can make use of the dollar? So that's one aspect of it. Let's go to other currency. We have euros, so I can make use of the euro. If I want other values like the Chinese currency is here, the French currency too is here. Now let's go to other features. Now we have here, we have conditional formatting. Yes, conditional formatting, as here it's been highlighted. This conditional formatting help us to distinguish between maybe large numbers and smaller numbers. So let's see here these color scales. Let's see what the color scale can do for us. Okay, so let me click on this one. So what do you see? Yes, you can see that the lowest price is being distinguished as color red, and then the highest price is being distinguished as color blue. So this is what the conditional formatting gives to us. Yes, this is what conditional formatting gives to us. We also have percentages, we have column, yeah, you have comma, yes, sorry, comma. So let's go to other features and see. We have so many features in Excel. We have delete, we have format as table. So we are just looking at the basics one that we'll be using to start our work. So let's go to insert. Yes, click on insert. Over here we can find table, we can find illustrations, we can find chart. Let's come to chart. Let's see what you can do with chart. So over here, this our data, we want Excel to recommend a chart for us. So we just click on it, it will recommend a chart. See what it has recommended. So let's see. Yes, so this is what Excel has recommended it. So these are the prices. You know, these were being numbered as 1, 2, 3 because we didn't number or we didn't give it a corresponding data. So Excel has already provided us a corresponding data, which is being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they are prices. So this was a recommended chart for us. Okay, we are not using this one. Let's look at other charts and see how it is. As always, you make sure you highlight it when you want to apply or use any of the effect. You highlight it. So here too, here, yes, we have 2D column, we have 3D column, we have 2D bar. So have you seen how each of them is? Yes, each of them is having different. This is how this is looking like. Let's see how 3D column is look like. So this is how 3D column looks like. So I won't use this. I will delete it. And then let's see the pie chart, our data here. If you want Excel to give us a pie chart, let's see a 3D pie chart. So you see, we have seen the prices here. So these are the prices here. Yes, if you want to label it, you click here, you go to the chart data labels, you see that has labeled it for us nicely. So this is what we can also get from Excel. These are just the surface of it. We will make good use of all these features as we go further, so we won't spend much time here. Oh, I have deleted my numbers. Let me go to undo, and then yeah, the numbers has come. Okay, so let's see what features that we can get. Let's see other features that we can get. Yes, yes, you have seen conditional format. These are cell styles. Okay, let's go to insert. Yes, let's go to insert. So here, insert. Okay, we are already on insert. So you go to the data. Yes, so data over here, we will see sorting, we will see filtering. So sorting, this is from A to Z. That means from smallest to largest. So if I click here, yes, so it asks me about the price, that's the value, and it says the smallest to largest. So I will click yes, that is okay. So it will arrange it from smallest to largest for me. In other way, if I want from largest to smallest, the same things, I will use sorting. Yes, so it has arranged it nicely, largest to smallest. When I click on it, now we say let's see filtering. It's looking like a funnel, so it's used to filter data. So as you see, check it, as I click it, there will be something in front of the price. So as I click, have you seen there is a small arrow in front of the price? So I'm going to filter the price. As I click, this is select all. So select all. Okay, so let me remove the select all, and then let me click on the highest price. Yes, and let me click on OK. So you see, I have filtered and then only left with the highest price. So this is what we use filter to do. Now let's go back, the same thing, and let me clear, and then it comes back again. Let's see what other features can we use. What other features can we use? Remember, I have told you that we cannot go through all these features. This text columns, this is flash fill. We are only focusing on the basic ones that will be helping us out. As we go further, we will discover all these features, so we won't spend much time on them. Yes, okay, so over here, let's see view, what we can get from view. Yes, what we can get from view. So view to over here, you see we have zoom. So in Excel, sometimes you can get your information, or you can get many data to fill the screen. So you have to zoom this in 100%. So assuming if my data has filled the screen and I want to zoom it a little bit smaller, maybe I'll go to 50%. I click OK. So I have zoomed it to 50%. So let's get back to original one, since the data is not that much. So get back to our original size. Yes, so this is what zoom also do to us. So we have a lot of features here. We have a lot of features here in Excel. As you are here with me, don't worry, we'll be going through all of them. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share as I take you through your basic Excel tips. Thank you. Bye bye.